A branch of State Bank of India in Patna has installed a heat treatment machine to tackle COVID-19. This is used when depositors walk in to deposit cash into their accounts. The heat treatment is being done to prevent the possible outbreak of the dreaded COVID-19 from the currency notes being deposited. India has reportedly seen a 37% rise in paddy sowing acreage. This time around, sowing has already taken place on 34.73 lakh hectares as against 25.22 lakh hectares same time last year. Paddy is a kharif crop. Kharif agriculture operations coincide with the southwest monsoon, which is the riparian lifeline for India. The Indian equity market could remain choppy in the week beginning April 27th. The monthly futures contract will take place next month. This, coupled with a long weekend, could see a fair bit of profit taking. Several experts are calling on the Reserve Bank of India to use the SDF or Special Deposit Facility to provide more liquidity into the system. The SDF is a mechanism under which the RBI can borrow from banks without offering collateral, as is the norm. The RBI had done this post-demonetization. This time around, there is demand that the RBI pump in more money to help the Indian economy tide over the COVID-19 crisis. There is fear that India could see a sizable number of malfunctioning mobile phones over the next 3 to 4 weeks. One estimate puts this number at 40 million phones, as users are bearing the brunt of an acute short supply of critical mobile parts thanks to the COVID-19 lockdown. The Sri Lankan government is expected to seek a bilateral currency swap arrangement with the Reserve Bank of India. The swap is for a sum of $400 million and needed by the island nation to tide over the economic crisis caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Gold sales haven't fared well in calendar 2020, particularly ahead of the auspicious Akshaya Tritiya. Jewelers across the nation are blaming COVID-19 for this debacle. Some estimates indicate that Akshaya Tritiya sales could have dropped at least 20% on the back of the nationwide lockdown. Hindus consider Akshaya Tritiya as an auspicious time for buying bullion or undertaking investments. Everyone is going gaga over garlic. An acute shortage of the white bulb amidst rumors of the pungent pod being an effective mode to stave off the dreaded COVID-19 virus has seen global prices of garlic rise by over 30% over the last few weeks. Traders are forecasting that the price of garlic, an essential in many kitchens across the world, will continue to rise. The outbreak of COVID-19 globally has seen eateries, hotels and restaurants shuttering their businesses. All this has seen a sharp drop in the offtake of sugar. Not just that, as the price of crude has fallen over the last few weeks, diverting sugarcane for production of ethanol, which is used for blending with motor spirit, is expected to also decline.